Now in this question, we have to find the equation of the bisectors of the angle formed by the lines. Now, given 3x minus 4y plus 12 is equal to 0 and second equation is 4x plus 3y plus 2 is equal to 0. Now, the equations of the bisectors of the angles formed by the above lines is 3x minus 4y plus 12 upon 3 square plus 4 square is equal to plus minus, and the second equation is 4x plus 3y plus 2 upon square root of 3 square plus 4 square, or you can write it one and the same thing, but 4 square plus 3 square. Okay. Now this becomes 3x minus 4y plus 12 is equal to plus minus 4x plus 3y plus 2, because denominators are same and they are cancelled out. Now case 1. Taking positive sign, 3x minus 4y plus 12 is equal to 4x plus 3y plus 2, and on solving x plus 7y minus 10 is equal to 0. So we are having first answer. Okay. Now this was case 1. Now let's go for case 2. Taking negative sign. Okay. So for the negative sign now, we will be having the equations were 3x minus 4y plus 12, 3x minus 4y plus 12 is equal to, now negative of 4x plus 3y plus 2. 3x minus 4y plus 12 is equal to negative of 4x, negative of 3y, negative of 2, and this becomes 7x minus y plus 14 is equal to 0. So this is the second equation. So we got both the equations.